In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import drawings into CostMiner. To begin this process, we will start by heading over to CostMiner, the construction estimating and takeoff software that we'll be using today. Once you have accessed the platform, look for the Login button and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you should find your list of projects on the dashboard. Go ahead and click on the project you are currently working on. This will direct you to the project overview page, where you'll be handling all the specifics for your estimation tasks. To move forward, locate the Import Plan button and click it. This feature allows you to link your drawings to the system, which could be in various formats such as DWG files or PDFs. Once you initiate the import plan process, the next step is to click the Add button. This action opens up a dialog that enables you to upload your specific drawing files into CostMiner, setting the stage for further processing and analysis. After your files have been successfully uploaded, it's crucial to set the drawing scale correctly. You'll find a ruler icon which you need to select. This icon allows you to calibrate your drawing scale appropriately, ensuring that all measurements you'll take later pay off with utmost accuracy. Next, you will click on a sample measurement. This step allows you to define the reference point for your scale. Following this, click on the opposite end to complete the measurement process. This measurement step is critical as it forms the basis of all other measurements you'll perform. Now type in the exact measurement of the sample you've just clicked. Accurate input here will ensure that when you click on Apply, the drawing scale is correctly set to reflect the real-world dimensions as intended. After setting the scale, it's time to measure areas of interest in your plans. Click on the Trace area, which enables you to identify and mark the perimeter of spaces you need to measure. Carefully click on each corner of the room or area you want the system to calculate in terms of area. Finally, by clicking on each corner, you effectively outline the area, and the measurement should now appear in your Item Estimates section. This section captures all the detailed calculations the software performs, making your construction estimation process straightforward and precise. By following these steps, you have successfully imported and set up your drawings in CostMiner. This method allows you to efficiently carry out your construction takeoff tasks with a seamless transition from your plans to precise estimations. Continue practicing this process to enhance your proficiency and eventually master the use of CostMiner for all your construction estimation needs.